Okay, today we are taking our Ford Raptor on tracks to the Sahara Desert. Now, the Sahara Desert is the biggest desert in the world with the biggest sand dunes in the world, upwards of 800 feet tall. But little did you know that there's actually a Sahara Desert in the United States too. While we're waiting for the preheat. Oh, guys, this is a good time to mention that only half of you guys that watch the videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, where's my phone? There we go. How far away is the Sahara Desert?
Distance from your location to Sahara Desert is 6,824 miles.
Okay, let me try this again. How far away is the Little Sahara Desert?
Location to Little Sahara State Park is 146.6 miles.
I can do that. I can do that a lot easier. You see this? This is going to be awesome. You going up?
I'm going up while you're going down.
Oh, hell yeah. How you doing?
I just said follows you guys on YouTube.
Hell, I appreciate that. We're gonna go out here and see if we can get it stuck. We're getting ready to go across the Sahara Desert, and you need to whip, that way NASA can see where you're at from space. Oh, there's my knife. Hey, let's C-clamp it. These fix exhaust, everything.
Ingenuity.
Look at this. Look at this freaking, look at that.
Ingenuity.
If that is not the most professional whip ever installed. We gotta do this! Let's go! Let's go!
Lock the trip!
Trip on the sand. You gotta make sure that whip hits that pole. Does it hit the pole? Yeah. We're good, let's go. Would this be the appropriate moment to go to sand mode? I'm not sure. If it's on track, should we go to sand? Ooh. Oh, this is definitely different. Oh yeah, baby! Woo! We did this! Oh, this is gonna be awesome! This is gonna be cool. Damn, there's a lot of people been driving out here. Oh, she goes! Are you scared?
Yes, you never know what's on the other side of these.
Hey, he was going fast. I wasn't scared.
He can jump though. We can't jump.
We can jump!
Oh yeah, we
This
can.
is a jumping machine!
I bet we can.
God, why haven't I been out here? This is so much fun. It doesn't even notice. Like, do people have problems getting stuck out here? Let's check these tracks out, make sure they're not getting too hot. Hey, I think the tracks are fine, actually. The only thing I worry about is these metal lugs here getting hot, but that's fine. Yeah, we're good.
Something throws up the sand.
Yeah, it does. It's kind of like a sand blaster. That hill looks a lot less steep over here. When you're actually right there at it and you can't see no sky, just ask. I'm like, damn, that's a lot steeper. This thing is so fun. Like, this is so fun. I wouldn't imagine it would do that well, but it's just like, it just don't care. It just goes, it goes. And like, when me and him hit that hill over there, I'm like, that's a lot steeper than I thought it'd be. When you get out here
When you get out here, they're about 30 times that high.
Oh, they are? Well, let's go out there. It don't have no problem whatsoever. It can climb anything. Like, I could stop halfway down and just climb right back up. Yeah. It's kind of amazing just how well it can do. Like, it doesn't have any problem whatsoever.
But on camera, this doesn't look near as steep as it actually is.
It doesn't?
No.
That don't look steep? Weston, you have no worries about it, those tracks getting hot.
Why is that? The sand cool?
It's cool as the other side of the pillow.
Oh my God, he's not joking.
Seriously come out here and test the tracked Raptor and we're like, oh damn, the sand is cool!
It's ice cold.
The Sahara Desert is sure. Steve,
Over.
this might sand in my pants.
That is cold.
Oh damn!
I told you, drop to your knees in it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, flip over. That's the best part. Look, this right here is a new experience. We need to dig a hole.
Look how soft this is.
Put this on your knees, Garrett.
I've never been in sand.
Are you serious?
I've been in sand like in a sandbox when I was a kid, but I've never been out.
You drove through Oklahoma and they ain't never come to the Winoka.
I've never come to Winoka. Excuse me, the Sahara state, the Sahara.
Little Sahara.
No, Sahara.
Or Sahara?
Sahara. Yeah, we went all the way to Africa to shoot this
Is that
video
by
for you guys.
Belize or Belush?
Track Raptor has sustained battle damage though. The fender flare did fall off, but this was an old fender flare that'd been through the wreck. I actually have a new one at home, so it's not that bad a deal.
Yeah, it looks a little battle worn.
Hey, when you are taking your tracked Raptor through the Sahara sand dunes,
I gotta
it
say,
gets a little
I
messed
gotta
up.
say though,
What?
I'm not disappointed. If this is the thing we break today, then I'm very happy.
Yeah, that's it. $60 fender flare. That's all we're gonna break. It's it. Because look, this track, don't care. Sand, honestly, it's probably got to do with the sand being so cold though. Because even up here, the sand is ice cold. Okay, we racing or what? We're gonna do this really good. So act like the cops are chasing when you come up that hill.
Police?
The police. I win!
You said 2 out of 3.
Yeah, but I won the first time.
You went off on the hole.
That's how I'm supposed to do. This is so fun. I went ahead and put in Baja mode, which is full drive and full freaking juke. She's not quite running 100, but she's still doing. All right, ready? There's a ton of sand in here. Next time I need to put the window up. That's one thing. Shake and bake.
Shake it back.
Shake and bake.
Shake it back.
Is that what we're doing now? We're Ricky Bobby?
If you ain't first, you last.
Or you could be second.
That's right.
You could be second. I don't know. That was pretty steep. I was headed at it pretty fast.
You still got
Let's go find some bigger dunes.
Yeah,
Because,
the
you know,
sun
when
goes
you
down.
are in the Sahara Desert, you got to make sure to find the biggest dune that you absolutely can to take your track Raptor up.
It's
like-
right over there.
I can see it. It's right there.
It's right over there.
On safari, we're looking for lions in the Sahara Desert, and I know we'll find them any moment now. They'll be right over the top of this dune.
Bad news here. Good news is, it's all fixable.
Nate, what have we done?
Well, we've had a tractor accident.
It was going really, really well. Right up until this happened. Yep, it pushed the running board all the way into the door. Yeah, I think we do.
All right.
Does insurance cover a tow all the way out here?
Make the move.
Hey, this is not a problem. This just went from a have fun day to rescue the Raptor in a sand dune day. That's what this went to. Oh,
Track back.
can you believe we did that?
I believe it. I can't believe it's lasted this long. It's been badass the whole time.
I could get in there, lock it in, try to get it backed up at least. If we could just get it backed up and down there.
Really jammed him in there. That thing's like 4 foot in the ground.
Hey dude, look at this. It is our lucky day.
What is that, a lug nut?
A quarter.
That's mine. Give it up. That's mine.
You can have it. If you
It's
can
lost
find it.
forever
So,
now.
we need to pull this out of the way in case you're gonna slide.
That thing's dug down too.
She dug deep. When she came off, she dug right in. Try to back it up, see what happens.
You know, maybe I gotta get over here in case it rolls.
Yeah, yeah. Keep going. Hold up. Hit the walker.
Aha!
Hit the walker. Easy.
Am I spinning all the way?
Yeah, she don't got enough traction. All the power's going to this and that one.
So we gotta have a yank.
Where's the razor?
There's a chain right here in the back, young buck.
I'm on. Snap it, Westen.
There you go. Give me a couple of those.
Hitting me.
That's spraying water. You better go shut it off.
What the hell did you tie it to that for?
Where else am I supposed to tie it? Show me where I'm supposed to tie it at.
On the bar!
Don't worry, it happens. This day is getting better and better.
Call them or
Look at your map and see if it can tell you exactly how far we are away from like the parking area. Okay, good news guys, we're at the nearest town that has an O'Reilly's and we're gonna go in here and get every single thing that we need to fix the razor, hopefully. Grab a jack, that way we can jack up the Raptor and stuff. That way we can take and pull the track and put the track back on. It's gonna be a lot of fun. How you guys doing? Hell yeah, she's not leaking. We're on a winning streak now, baby. All right. Heck yeah, she's back in the race, baby. JB welded fixed, he's ready to roll. So, our chase vehicle is now fixed. All we gotta do is load up all the tools into that. As we are completely loaded up. The razor is mostly fixed. It's still kind of leaking water. We've got water in there, tools, jack, all kinds of stuff. And we've got a spare tire for the Raptor up on top there, so if all else fails, we can just throw a tire back on it. As ready as we're ever gonna be, right?
Yay.
Yay. Let's go do this. It's gonna be so much fun. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. So, okay. Back to the tractor. God dang, she looks cool in the... Yeah. Let me get it back. It was actually easier to find the Raptor than I thought it'd be. But honestly, it's amazing how close you can be to something and not even tell, because we was 20 feet away from this car and didn't even see it. We was just right on the other side of this dune, didn't even see it. Dead black out here. All right.
Keep going. Hey, there we go, there we go.
Yes, baby, yes! Come on, baby!
Just keep it going, don't let it stop. All we need to do now is get that track on here and we can get the hell out of here.
Dude, all the bogey wheels are on it actually.
Thank God we strapped that up, or else we'd have dug us a plow. Okay?
I know. Like
that
was a good idea, Westen.
On the running board.
Yeah, that's a heavy jack.
Cool. I'd rather have a heavy jack than no jack.
but yeah. While we're out here, let's lay some concrete.
Yes. Hey, can we take some of this back for mortar sand? It's real good stuff.
Hell yeah.
We don't find this stuff where we're from. It got rock in it. Okay, now we need to jump over. Oh, we almost got it. Look. Keep going.
Oh, there we go. On the top?
Yeah, we need to keep coming around though, because I'm not right here on my rollers.
Okay.
Where we at? Should be right in here somewhere. There it is. Is that it?
I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on.
Yeah, we're on. I just need to put my rollers in now.
Yeah. Hopefully it grows. Please don't fall off. We're good.